March 16th, 2025, effective until 8:09 p.m. Message from WRMR LP2.
Avoid windows. If you are outdoors,
No, turn it up. Oh, there is speech. Okay.
Move to substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Please send your reports of hail and flash or wind damage, including trees or large limbs downed, by calling the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington at 1-800-697-3901.
Nerd.